Hi, everybody. This is Rick Bailey, president at Northern New Mexico College. Today is Tuesday, February the 2nd. Thank you, as always, for tuning in to our latest video update for our college community. Just two quick things I want to talk about. First of all, we have been, as a lot of you know, we have been hosting on our campus in Española at the Eagle Sportsplex, the gym. We've been hosting a once a week vaccinations event in consultation with the Department of Health. So special thanks to the state's Department of Health for bringing the talent and the vaccines and everything to our community. They've been averaging about 300 people a day in those vaccines. Now, that is not a walk-in clinic. As I said before, you have to go to the state's Department of Health website. You register for that vaccine, and then as you hit the phases and the phased vaccination plan, they contact you, they set up an appointment, and you can then head to the gym. We have been so successful in hosting that event that I think likely in the near future we will start 2 days a week. One day will be for the initial shots for people, and then the second day will be for the booster shot, that second shot for the folks who received it weeks earlier. So I think that's just going to double the number of people that we can get through the system, which is fantastic. More to follow on that, so stay tuned to our website. The second issue, and it's a more complex issue, is that especially with public education now in the state being allowed to consider how to reopen safely, we've been thinking about that for months now, about how the college can reopen safely. But there are still some questions that we have to answer. First and foremost, at the point at which all of us are able to get the vaccine, all of us have the choice to be able to get the vaccine, to what level does the college insist that our employees and our students get the vaccine? And this is a very delicate issue. And I confessed to you before that after 24 and a half years in the military, we didn't have a choice when there were vaccines. We had to get those because that's what we had to do to keep everyone else safe. And so I recognize that that's a blind spot for me as a leader, because I just think that that's what we should all do if that's what if that's what will help keep everyone safe. But that's not my decision to make. And so we are going to have to be very, very careful about how we move forward, and we're going to have to respect the fact that there are some people who are just unwilling to receive this vaccine, and so the questions that we're going to have to answer as an institution have to do with risk and what is acceptable risk. If there are people who are not vaccinated, are they more likely to infect people who are vaccinated? The other issue is we have individuals who are willing to get vaccinated, but who live with family members who, because of other medical treatments and other things that they're going through, cannot get the vaccination. Are we putting them at risk now? These are all questions that we're going to have to figure out. And so in earnest, in an effort not to make this decision unilaterally, what we will be doing at the college is forming a committee to study this issue, to study how we should approach vaccinations. Obviously, we're going to highly encourage everyone to get it, but what are the steps that we can take to do that? And then based on how successful we are with vaccinations, then the question is, how do we do a very thoughtful, safe, healthy reopening? And when I say reopening, I mean physical presence on the campus. So that committee is going to start in earnest. There are 2 members of our Board of Regents who are going to be serving on that committee. We will have student representation, we will have faculty representation, we will have staff representation, and so that group will chew on some of these heavy issues and then provide recommendations to administration and to the board, and then we'll use that as our North Star as we move forward. So I'm excited about the fact that we are coming together to make these decisions as a team. Okay, I think that's it from El Rito for now. On behalf of all of us at the college, our students, our faculty, and staff, we say muchísimas gracias, kunda woha. God bless you and everyone you love. Thanks very much, and we'll talk to you soon.